In this video, I will show you how to design hexagonal bolt by using SolidWorks. I will keep dimension in general, so let's start. Go to sketch, select front view from here and go to polygon. Select from here 6 number of lines and go to this origin point and draw a polygon from here. Okay, give its dimension, keep it 50 millimeter. Okay, just select this line and make the relation horizontal. Okay, now go to features, go to extrude boss base, extrude this up to 20 millimeter is enough. Okay, now go to right plane, sketch this plane and select a line from here. Draw a sketch like that. Okay, now specify the dimension, keep it 15 millimeter. Okay, keep the length 75 millimeter. 75 plus 20, keep it at 95 millimeter. Okay, from here to here, keep this 2 millimeter and this line keep it 4 millimeter. Okay, now go to features, select revolve boss base and select axis of revolution, this line. Okay, select OK. Now we will have to create a profile for thread portion. Go to sketch, select line, first of all select the right plane. Now go to line command and from here to here draw a profile like that. Okay, now draw a line just for construction line, exit this line and now make some relation with this line. Keep the angle let's say 45 degree. Okay, keep this 7, keep this 4 millimeter. Now from here to here. We will have to make some relation between these two lines. Keep this 22.5 degree. Okay. Go to feature now. Select revolve cut. Select this axis of revolution. Select OK. Now go to linear pattern. OK. Direction you can select this and let's keep this 3 millimeter. We will have to first check the sketch length. Go to sketch, go to sketch number 3 and from here to here check this 3.31. Okay, now go to exit this sketch and go to linear pattern. Select this line. And feature and faces, select revolve cut and keep 3.31. Okay, let's select the number 20, reduce this 16 numbers, keep 16 numbers, select OK. Look, now we will have to draw cut portion on this head. So go to right plane, select and draw a sketch here. Just drag this, make it coincident and go to feature, select revolve cut, axis of revolution, select from here this line. Okay, this is the general bolt, hexagonal bolt. You can do one thing more with that model. Just go to filler, keep this 2 millimeter only, select this circular path, select OK. Now this is general bolt drawing.